This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this rather famous wine estate and winery from Saint-Emilion in the Bordeaux wine region of France that was classified as a Grand Cru Classé in 2012 classification of the wines of Saint-Emilion, yes, in the Bordeaux region. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the Château Dassault. Château Dassault with the typical French pronunciation. So I suppose you might be tempted to say Château Dassault, because it kind of looks like it, doesn't it? But in French, the last letters of words generally are silent, and it's definitely the case here. Definitely L and T are silent here. So say Château Dassault. Château Dassault. With the typical French pronunciation again, Château Dassault. Château Dassault. Château Dassault, but it'd be fine to say Château Dassault, as long as you do not say Château Dassault, which sounds a little bit funny. Château Dassault. If you'd like to learn more about the famous classification of the wines of Saint-Emilion, how it came about and what it's all about, how Château Dassault came to be classified, here is the video where I explain it all. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.